This short guide answers the query how to buy shares of Symal Group Ltd, an Australian company listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker SYL.ASX, with a brief overview of its industrial and technology activities. This is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. And after registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SYL.ASX to locate the exact Symal Group Ltd listing. Then select the result that shows trading on CBOE AUS. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm you have the correct Symal Group Ltd listing under SYL.ASX before proceeding. To invest, click Buy or Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when the market opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money prior to confirmation. After the trade, the new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For reference, a link to eToro is available in the video description.